Well, it's a beautiful Thursday night for a car show. Just got the car washed off. I'm gonna go ahead and get it dried off here. Then we're gonna head into town. Well, I've made my parts store runs and I've got all the parts I need for tomorrow. But my buddy who I was supposed to meet at the car show just called me. And he thinks his car is running goofy and he's not sure he wants to drive all the way out here. So we're gonna drive over to his house and check it out. It's this Hudson rat rod. So we're gonna go see what it looks like. We're gonna do some diagnosing of a noise on this rat rod. So with the exhaust system that seems to be about 4 inches long, I'm sure it's gonna be real easy to figure out what's making noise in this one, huh? Oh. Let's hook up the this pin down here and then bungee cord it
to hold it tight.
So we got triple holding the door tight here.
So she don't rattle.
Yep. 3 of them I feel totally safe. Without a seatbelt. Oh, well, we have seatbelts. I'm gonna put them on too, I think. Just hold it open, it might be flooded. This is the 28 Hudson. Appears that the front brakes are sticking. And we're thinking that's one of the noises we're hearing. And it also isn't running very good, so we definitely have some carburetor tuning. Did the transmission feel like it shifted better though?
Now yeah.
I did adjust the detent cable was way out of adjustment, so I adjusted that. But oh wow, is that spark plug missing right there? Almost looks like carbon tracking on the side of that plug. That would be really weird if it's below the boot though. Yeah, we'll have to do some some tuning.
What that was, the header bolt was completely loose.
Oh, it was blowing it down? Okay.
That is saying there was one on the other side too.
Okay.
But that is the one that was that plug.
All right. Well, it looks like this is Pertronix ignition. So it looks like it has aftermarket. It's got a points distributor, but with both of the wires hooking up to the coil like that, it's going to have a Pertronix in it. That I would assume that the timing is probably way off, and that's what's causing a lot of the running bad problems. It could be in the carburetor too, but I'm going to assume timing before anything else. And some new welds on some certain things that are important, but I think I'm just going to head home for the evening. Took a light look at Raj's car. He's going to need some work on that. Hudson's definitely not running right, and he's got some brake issues, some other stuff going on with it, so it's definitely gonna be something that needs some work, and we'll be doing it on the channel here soon. Well, I came back home to work in the garage tonight. Didn't really make it to the car show, not a big deal. We have a bunch of car shows planned this weekend, so make sure you're watching. We're gonna go to Cassville, Wisconsin, and not only do we have a car cruise, a car show, but there's also a burnout show. So should be a bunch of smoky tires this weekend. We got the 52 rat rod, and my Firebird is what we're planning on taking up. Should be a great time. So stay tuned, and that video will be coming real soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.